this fold is looking like it's growing right into your face from the paper. Let's take a look at how to build that in Illustrator. Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden. We're going to dive right in. We are going to start with a path. I'm just drawing it using the pencil tool. There it is. And currently it has just a white stroke. I'm going to change that. Let's make that a little darker. I'm going to use this dark red and let's just move it slightly like this. And what we need here is a variable width stroke. I'm just going to use the width tool and then let's just click here, hold down the Alt key and drag. And you see we've got an uneven variable width. And then in order to make that pop into your face, we're going to use the gradient. So let's double click the gradient tool to get the gradient panel. And I'm just going to apply that. And we need to change that stop here to be like that dark red. And then we need to apply it in this direction. So one of them needs to be 0% like this, and it looks like it's not the correct one, so let's just switch both of those colors like that. And I'm going to double click this to make it slightly darker, so let's add some black to it like this. And now what we still need to have is the other side, the lighter side. Let's select that once again and open the appearance panel. And in the appearance panel we can just take this and drag it onto the duplicate button and then again take the gradient panel, and also we need to flip it to the other side. So let's click on this stroke here and we can flip it here like this. And then again in the gradient panel we need to switch those stops and also apply a different color. So let's double click that and get them all very close to 0. Like that, but I don't want that to be white. Let's double click that again and move that on the other side as well. And there they can be slightly lighter, but again, not white. Now we've got this kind of fold that's already growing. Now, in order to make that even stronger, we can just apply a new stroke to that. And this new stroke shouldn't have a gradient. I'm just going to make it white. And also let's make that thinner. And then let's apply a different width like this one here. And then it looks like a light that there is on there. I think it's too thick. Let's make it just 1 point. And again, we can go in here and make it slightly darker so it's not white and it still pops into your face.